How to connect your unit to Wi-Fi, client mode. To connect your unit to Wi-Fi, first press the menu button. Use the arrow keys to scroll down to Network and press OK. Select Mode and press OK. Use the arrow keys to select Hotspot Mode and press OK. Note, the unit will beep and restart. There should now be a hotspot symbol on the screen. Take a device such as a smartphone or tablet and search for available Wi-Fi. There should be a Wi-Fi visible, such as RPB 189F. Connect your smartphone or tablet to this Wi-Fi. Now, go back to the menu on the monitor. Scroll down to Network and press OK. Scroll down to Status and press OK. On your smartphone or tablet, open a browser. Type in this IP address displayed on the monitor, which will be 192.168.1.3. Click on the drop-down beside Network on the left side of your smartphone or tablet screen. Then click the drop-down beside Mode and select Client Mode. Now, on the right-hand side of the screen, press Scan. Click on the network you want to connect to. The network should display on the SSID field on the left-hand side. Now, enter the password for the network in the passphrase field and click Save. The device will beep and restart. Once it is restarted, there should be an X symbol in place of the hotspot symbol. Your unit is now connected to the network and can be connected to any device on the network by simply entering the IP address your network has provided. To find this, press Menu, select Network, and press OK. Scroll down to Status and press OK. The IP address on the third line is the address to connect any device to this unit.